Okay, welcome to my studio. Last week I was watching a YouTube video that Liz Chatterton did. Now, she does some really good tips and tricks for watercolour artists, and I was watching something on golds, and she talked about this Kuretake gold ink that she reviewed, and she loved it. So, yeah, look, it was interesting, and I thought, well, I'll have a look. So I had a quick look and Googled it, found it was on Amazon. Now, Liz is in the UK, I am in Australia. Anyway, so found it on Amazon. It was $19 with free delivery. Now, this was a Friday afternoon, and I thought, oh, well, all right, it's not that expensive. I might try it. But the free delivery, and it was next day, guaranteed, well, next day delivery. That would have made it Saturday. I thought, well, I'm going to try it just to see if it turns up or not. And it did. So there we are. So this is the Kuretake Gold Mica ink. It does say water-based pigment, so we'll have a look at it. And as you can see, I haven't even opened it. I thought we could do it together. And as usual, I'm going to swatch it out in my menu book so that I've got everything in here swatched out, all sorts of things in here, everything. So new paints, anything that I pick up. All right, let's open it and get in. All right. How does that happen? Order something on Amazon and it turns up the next day. And I'm not in the city either. I'm kind of regional. So I don't know. How does that happen? Very good. Anyway, it does say water-based pigment, but I'm not going to use my water colour brushes, just to be sure. I'm just going to use an acrylic brush that I've got here. Let's give it a good shake. And look, I do like Kuretake paints. They're beautiful. So let's see. Let's see. Right. It does look lovely. Yep, it's a nice gold. I do their pan gold. I do like. I use that a lot at Christmas time. So, yeah. Liz, I'm with you. I like it too. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. Yeah, I do like that. I wonder if it acts like watercolours, if it can be reactivated. Oh, that's so pretty. Stem and some leaves. We've got gold flowers. All right. You see? Yep. Has rinsed out beautifully out of my brush. Oh yes, it does reactivate. See, that's really pretty as well as a sparkle wash. Like that. Okay. Very nice. Yeah, it does reactivate. You can do all sorts of, pretty things with that. Washes, all sorts. Here we go. I still don't think I'd use my good watercolour brushes. Maybe I will, but anyway, there we are. Let me write that down. So I do like to write some notes in my book. That's the gold mica. I got a pen. Where's my pen? Let me grab a pencil. Here we are. So we've got brilliant gold ink, gold mica, Kuretake, so it's a Japanese brand. How do I spell that? Kuretake. There you go. It's a nice little bottle. I've had other golds that have been in beautiful glass bottles and I haven't been able to get the lid off and they've just been wasted. So hopefully there we go. Nice little review for you. Thank you, Liz. I'm with you on that one. I do like it. So I might paint some cards and pop a bit of gold on. Hope you've enjoyed. Grab it. It was not expensive, like $19 or so on Amazon. Well worth it.